amser nodyn nia. Beth what is this in front of me now?
You were going to say a lovely Welsh sentence
was, yeah,
to me
but then you just did that. Beth ar y wythnos yw cariad? I've lost all trail of thought. Why have I got peas in front of me?
Because you know we're going to dysgu Cymraeg for all these vegetables.
I know one, definitely.
Beth?
One reminds me of you. Orange, fake tan, and the moron.
Right, OK. So, moron. That is a good way to remember it.
Yeah.
Moron.
You've always got orange hands and orange knees.
Moron. Right, OK. Beth ydy'r rhain? Ti'n gwybod rhain?
Tatws.
Tatws.
Yeah. Potatoes.
Iawn.
Winwn.
O, da iawn. Yn y de, winwns.
OK.
Winwns. More than one. And yn y gogledd, it's a good word, nionod.
Oh, I love that one.
Say it.
Nionod.
Nionod.
Nionod. I prefer that one. Gogledd, you win again.
Yn y trwyn.
Nionod.
Right. Cabbage in Cymraeg is bresych.
Bresych.
Good word.
It's a very good word.
Bresych.
Bresych.
And a cauliflower is an extension of bresych, blodfresych.
It's like blod bresych.
Blood with a mutation. Blodfresych.
Blodfresych.
So literally, how cute is this? It's like a cabbage with flowers.
Oh, cute.
Beth ydi hwn?
Leek.
Cennin.
Cennin.
Cennin. So, cennin peder is
Cennin peder.
Peter's leek.
Peter's leek. Daffodil.
Okay, ti'n gwybod beth ydi'r rhain?
Peas.
Da iawn. Oh, well,
Peas.
very similar. Peas.
Peas.
Peas. Da iawn.
Peas.
Right.
Sprout.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these.
I love these.
And I used to hate them, but this Christmas I started to love them.
Maen nhw'n neis
Roasted
iawn.
sprouts, delicious.
Right. Yn Gymraeg.
Not good for everybody else.
And not many people know this. Sgewill.
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 Iawn?
Sgewill.
Sgewill.
Okay.
Hapus? Oh, hwn.
Spinach.
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 So, a lot of people say spinach.
Spinach, I like that one.
There is a word, which is a cute word, spigoglis. One cute, isn't it? Spigoglis.
Very cute.
Pawb, everybody at home, spigoglis.
Spigoglis.
Efo ni, spigoglis.
Spigoglis. See, I messed it up straight away.
Nice.
Da iawn. Well done.
The parsnip yn Welsh ydi panas.
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 Yeah?
Yeah.
It's quite similar.
Panas.
Panas, iawn. Oh, what about this one then? Celery.
Yeah.
A rwan, os ydych chi'n rhugl, ydych chi siŵr o fod yn galw hwn yn celery yn dydach, ond mae yna air Cymraeg. There is a Welsh word for this that not many people use, and it's a lovely word, helogan.
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 Helogan. Beth ydi hwn? You don't know what
That's
this
a
is in
cherry.
English.
That's easy, that's a cherry. What is it?
It's a radish. This isn't a vegetable lesson.
Who at one point went, oh,
Welsh
I'm going to eat
lesson.
that, I'm going to eat that girl.
Rhyddigol.
Rhyddigol.
Say it again.
Rhyddigol.
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 Oh, rhyddigol.
Oh,
Oh, I love rhyddigols.
Rhyddigol. I love a rhyddigol, I do.
Right.
Radish.
Matt, concentrate rwan, iawn.
I've been concentrating.
Recap, iawn. After me. Tatws.
Tatws.
Nionod.
Nionod.
O winons. Bresych.
Bresych.
Blodfresych.
Blodfresych.
Nesa.
Peas.
Da iawn.
I like peas, I can eat that. Cane. Cinu.
Cennin.
Cennin. Got it. I was going to get it.
Eat it.
Oh, no.
Just a bite.
Which bit? Oh! I've got a date later. It's not happening. Oh!
Cennin. Da iawn, Matt. Right. Spigoglis.
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 Moron.
Panas.
Panas.
Panas. Panas.
Halloumi.
He nearly called it a cucumber.
No, it's not cucumber, I know that.
It's celery.
Celery.
Yeah,
and
what's
it's
the Welsh word?
halugi.
Helogan.
Helogan.
Iawn,
It's
helogan.
almost there.
Iawn.
This was a fun exercise.
Yeah, nes i fwynhau. I just like
Yeah, I've
watching
learned
you.
that eating a
Raw.
What
is that? You don't know what it is.
Cawod.
Cennin.
Cennin. Cennin. Eating raw cennin
It's not
makes
good.
your breath stink.